Unlocking the heavens, SpaceX's Falcon Heavy and the first launch of X-37b. Welcome, space enthusiasts. We're here to witness the incredible power of the SpaceX's Falcon Heavy. The stage is set for the groundbreaking launch of the X-37b, an unmanned spacecraft that is about to rewrite history. Look at that colossal rocket, the Falcon Heavy, simmering with anticipation. It's not just a machine but a testament to human ambition. As the countdown begins, your heart sinks with the rhythm. The excitement is palpable, the world holds its breath. And it's liftoff. The Falcon Heavy, like a fiery phoenix, ascends. On its shoulders, it carries the future of space exploration. Through smoke and sound, the X-37b begins its journey. Into the void, towards the stars, opening doors to endless possibilities. Stay with us as we explore the cosmos, one SpaceX launch at a time. For the sky is not the limit anymore.